In this quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to make another Telegram account without phone number. So first of all, you have to open your Telegram app. Now you have to click on start messaging and now you will see this interface. Here you have to click on country option. After that, you have to click on this search option and search your country. After selecting your country, you have to add your phone number, but in this situation you won't have any phone number, so now you can use any temporary number. For that, you have to come back to your home screen and open your browser, and here you have to search temporary number and click on first website. After that, you have to scroll down and select your country. Let's say I am selecting US. After that, you will see this interface, and here you have multiple numbers. You can select any of them. So let's say I am selecting this number. After that, you have to copy this number. If you want to copy this number, so click on this option. After copying number, you have to open your Telegram app, and now you have to paste number here, and make sure you have to remove this one from this number, because one is a country code of US and one is already added here. After that, if you want to see OTP, you have to open this website again and you will see OTP here. So as you can see, my OTP is here, and that's how you can create a other Telegram account without phone number. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel.